Unleashing the power of your memory. The forgotten power of memory. Imagine standing in front of a room full of people, and you suddenly forget the name of someone you've known for years. It's a mix of confusion and embarrassment. Memory lapses like this can happen to anyone, but why do they happen? Memory is a powerful tool, but many people forget how to use it effectively. Our memory is not just a storage space for information. It shapes our identity. Every experience, every relationship, and every piece of knowledge we gain shapes who we are. So, how can we enhance this important skill? What if I told you that there are simple techniques to boost your memory significantly? Understanding how memory works. Memory functions like a library. When you learn something new, it goes into a different section on the shelf. But if you don't visit that section often, it gets dusty and hard to find. Our brains naturally forget information, a process called forgetting curve. This term means that we lose memories over time if we don't reinforce them. Repetition is key. Revisiting information helps the brain strengthen connections. This is why students review before exams. The more you practice, the more your memory improves. Can you think of a time when revisiting something helped you remember? The role of focus and attention. Have you ever tried to remember something while distracted? It can be incredibly challenging. Concentration plays a significant role in how we store memories. If you focus entirely on what you're trying to learn, you'll remember it better. This shows that attention is critical for effective memory. One way to improve focus is to minimize distractions. Try putting your phone away, turning off the TV, or finding a quiet space. This change can help your brain absorb information easier. Do you remember a time when a distraction interrupted your learning? Fun techniques to enhance memory. Let's explore some exciting techniques. First, visualization can be incredibly powerful. Imagine vividly what you're learning. Create a picture in your mind to connect the ideas. The funnier or more bizarre the image, the easier it is to remember. Another method is to use mnemonic devices. These are simple tricks that help you remember information. For example, you can create a funny sentence where each word starts with the same letter you want to remember. It turns learning into a game. Have you ever tried using a mnemonic for studying something? The myth of memory. Size doesn't matter. Here's something to think about. Many people believe that only those with naturally good memories can excel in remembering things. But that's not true. It's not about having a big brain. It's about using effective strategies. Anyone can sharpen their memory with practice, dedication, and the right techniques. This counterintuitive idea opens the door for everyone. If you change how you approach memory, you can improve regardless of your initial skill. Remember, even the strongest memory can grow stronger. How do you react to this idea that improving your memory is within your control? Healthy habits for a sharp mind. But it's not just about techniques. A healthy lifestyle can significantly impact how well we remember things. Regular exercise, proper sleep, and a balanced diet play essential roles in maintaining a sharp mind. For instance, sleep helps with memory consolidation. Did you know that the brain processes memories during sleep? Connecting with other people and having social interactions can also boost memory. Engaging conversations stimulate your brain, making it more active. Have you noticed how a lively discussion can jog your memory about certain events? Make memory enhancement a habit. To make memory enhancement a part of your daily life, practice regularly. Schedule short review sessions or use your newfound techniques every day. The more you incorporate them, the more natural they will become. Remember to be patient with yourself. Improving memory takes time, just like learning a new skill. Celebrate small victories in your journey towards a sharper mind. Your path to memory mastery. In conclusion, memory is an essential part of who we are. By understanding how memory works, focusing on techniques, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can significantly enhance your memory. So, why wait? Start your memory improvement journey today. There are endless tools and strategies at your fingertips that can empower you to remember better. What step will you take first to strengthen your memory?